Hello everyone. In today's session, we will discuss about users of accounting information, or we can say parties interested in accounting information. There are so many parties which are interested in business records. Why they are interested in business records? This will clear by this video. There are two type of users. First, internal users, and second, external users. Internal users, they are having direct interest in the business and they are part of business management. External users, they are having present or future interest in the business and not the part of management of business. Internal users include owners and management. Internal users can check business performance by internal reports, and external users can check performance of business by external reports, or we can say published reports. Clear? So first, internal users, owners. Owners contribute capital in the business and they want to know about the profitability of the business. They are also interested in accounting information to know whether profits are increasing or decreasing, what is the value of fixed asset in business, etc. These information they can get from accounting records such as profit and loss and balance sheet of company. Clear? Owners want to know the profitability of the business, whether profits are increase or decrease, or what is the position of fixed assets in business. Next internal user, management. Managers manage business. They need accounting information for efficient and smooth running of the business. With the help of accounting information provided by internal reports, management can get information relating to cost of the product, increase or decrease in the cost, profitability of the product, estimating future sales. All this information can be taken from internal reports and management can take proper decisions with this information. That's why they are interested in accounting records. Now second is external users. External users which have future interest in the business but not are part of management. It includes first short-term creditors like suppliers from whom we purchase goods on credit. They want information about the creditworthiness of business. Creditworthiness means whether business is able to pay off its debt or not. Clear? Creditworthiness means position of business to pay off its debt. They want information about the creditworthiness of business means whether business is able to repay debt or not. Because, for example, supplier, they have sold goods to our business on credit. They want to check whether business will be able to repay its debt or not. Clear? Short-term creditors. Next external user, long-term creditor. Previous one was short-term creditors like suppliers. Next, long-term creditors like banks. They provide long-term loans to business. They also want to know whether their loan amount, or we can say principal amount and interest amount, will be repaid on due date or not. And they can get this information from published reports by business time to time. Third, employees. Employees want to know about the profits of business. Why? Because they want to see, they want to check whether business can pay higher wages or salaries to them in case of higher profits. Clear? Employees want to check profitability of business to see whether business is able to pay higher salary or wages to them or not. Next, tax authorities. Now tell me why they are interested in business records? Because they have to calculate income tax and GST etc. That's why they need accounting records of business. Next is government. Why government is interested? Government has to frame many policies relating to taxation, distribution of resources, etc. And for all this, government requires accounting information to make proper policies for business and industries. Clear? Next is public. Public is also interested in future plans of an enterprise because public get employment facilities from business and other things from that enterprise. And this information can be taken timely from published reports by business. Next, competitors. Why competitors are interested in business records? Because they want to know the strength and weak point of their business and need accounting information of other business for making comparisons. Other business here means record of competitors. Last one is social responsibility groups. As we discussed earlier, business has also to fulfill social responsibility because business is a part of society and business has to follow some social responsibilities like providing employment, pollution-free environment, etc. So these groups check whether business is taking proper step for pollution-free environment or not. That's why they are interested in business reports. Clear? Parties interested in business information in business records. There are two types, internal users and external users. Clear? Learn it properly.